Hey, today I would like to tell you about safe value streams. When doing agile transformations and building agile organizations or talking to our customers, we found out that this is quite confusing topic for many. So I thought that I will try to explain it in a simple, short way and hopefully help you all to understand those concepts. I assume that you have some basic understanding of what the scaled agile framework is. So I hope it can help you. Okay, let's go. In SAFe, as you may know, there is a lot of focus on the value and on the value flow of the value through the whole system, through our organization. And this is one of the main thing which we need to do, which is to define operational value stream. So what is the operational value stream? Well, when we have a company, in this case, in this example, it's a bank. The company, of course, provides some value to the customer. And in order to provide this value, the company and people working there needs to perform different steps. So if we look at this example, we have a customer who has a particular need. The customer wants to buy a house and is looking for a loan for that house. And that's what the bank, in this case, the company, provides. So that's the trigger, the customer with a need of the loan, and comes to the bank and was attracted by the bank also, maybe through some internet advertisement or some other way, and then comes to the bank and try to apply for the loan, either by him or herself, or maybe someone in the bank is taking all the information. And then the decision needs to be made if the customer can get the loan, and then hopefully the loan is received and the customer is happy buying a house, and then at some point the loan is also repaid to the bank with the interest. So everyone is happy at the end, and both the customer got the house and the loan, and then the bank got the loan back with the interest rate. So the chain of those steps to make it happen, that's what we call operational value stream, because there is a value which it generates. Okay, hopefully this is clear enough. Of course, the company can have many different value streams because it may offer more services maybe, or more products, and some of the steps can be shared across different operational value stream. But this is description of just one of the value streams, operational value streams for the bank. Okay, so once we define the operational value stream, we can go to the next step where we will discuss the development value stream. So when the bank is performing all those steps, the company is performing all those steps, the employees usually need some computer systems, some applications, or even the customer may use some application. Maybe it's a mobile application to apply for a loan, maybe it's a web application. Then there is some back office system where the employees are entering some data, verifying, processing the case and stuff like that. So there are many different solutions. I call them here solutions, technical solutions, systems, applications, which are used by the people in the company which are performing those steps. So of course those solutions needs to be developed, and the development of those solutions, the steps to make this solution happen, is what we call the development value stream. So the development value stream is those are the steps to build that solution. And the trigger here would be, for instance, the request for some new functionality which this person reviewing the applications, for instance, needs to better perform their job, because we always want to optimize how fast we can do those things and how efficiently. So maybe there is someone in the bank who needs some new functionality to perform their job better. So that need for that functionality would be a trigger, and then at the end there is a new functionality in the system. And the steps which happen on the way are part of so-called development value stream. And what is maybe also important to mention already here is that when we define the development value streams, we look for people involved in creating this solution. But it's not only developers and testers and DevOps and product management, but it's also legal, it's also security, it can be marketing. So there are many different people involved, and we want to group them, put them together as one development value stream so they can really optimize how fast and how efficiently we produce those new features. And one such a development value stream, one solution, can of course support multiple operational value streams. Here we see only one, but there could be more. And then of course we usually have many solutions, as I said before, and each solution can support one or more steps in the operational value streams. And like I said before, many different operational value streams as well may be supported by that solution. So we could have one development value stream and then second development value stream. And that's basically the main difference. So operational value streams are about what the company does and kind of from the customer coming in or attracting the customer to the value delivered to customer and to the company. And development value streams, it's basically defining the development of the systems which supports our operational value stream. Sometimes a good way of understanding new concepts is to look at also from different perspective. So what I would like to show you now is what are the properties, and I'm using here properties defined by SAFe in their development and operational value streams canvas, and that hopefully will help you better understand what's the difference between the two. So in the operational value stream, once again, it's what the company does, different services, for instance. We would define for the operational value stream what customers that operational value stream serves. What is the trigger? In our case, the trigger was a customer who needs a loan and is attracted to the bank. What is the value received to the company? In our case, it was the loan repaid with the interest. And what value received to the customer? In our case, it was also that the customer got the loan and could buy the house. And again, the development value stream is the development of the systems which supports our operational value stream. So we would for sure say which operational value stream that whole our development value stream is supporting. We would say what's the value proposition. So that would be maybe high-level definition of our system. So let's say that the value proposition is that we provide a system which makes the loan application easier or allows the customers apply by themselves. And then we would define solutions, the concrete system, applications, solution context, people and locations. That would be what I mentioned before, who is involved, who is part of this development value streams. And again, it's not only developers or DevOps and testers, but it's and product management, but it also legal, security and many other functions. Customer segments, channels. Channels means, for instance, is it a mobile, is it web, which mobile? And then the budget, and then the arts. About arts we will speak on the next session. So I hope this helps you further understand what is the difference and what are the operational value stream and what is the development value stream. And that's it for today. It was supposed to be short. I hope that it was short and that you really understood what's the difference between the two. On the next session, I will tell you more about what's the relation between the development value streams, solutions, and agile release trains. And of course, meanwhile, If you want to find out more and read more details by yourself, you can always go to the scaredagileFramework.com. Also, if you like this video and maybe you are interested in some other ideas and experiences which I share, you can go to my LinkedIn and then click on the hashtag there. I post some information about IT career, about IT leadership, about processes. Also, if you are looking for some company to help you grow your delivery function, so get new teams or deliver some project, new product, you can always go to my company, rightenergy.com, or send me an email there. And if you want to reach out for any other reason, maybe you have some questions about this video, maybe you need actually some workshop about new MVP you want to do, about the transformation which you want to do, look at the technical strategy. And by technical strategy, I don't mean which exactly technical stacks we need to use, but even broader than that, what skill set you need, how to build the organization and stuff like that. You can contact me on the email below. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.